Well, hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here. A little bit of a break from the heat yesterday. Today, it is back on out there as we are going to see some changes on the way. If you recall, yesterday, for many of us, a cold front came through during the day, and that provided some relief from the heat and the humidity. It stayed really hot in northern Kansas, far southeast Nebraska. That front stalled out in northern Kansas. It's now a stationary boundary. That will start to lift to the north today as a warm front. Outside of that, showers and storms, they've come to an end so far this morning in southeastern Nebraska, but it's still out of the question. The far northern and the far eastern parts of the viewing area could see an isolated shower or storm yet this morning here, but the chances will then shift farther north later on today. Most of us, just a quiet day, lots of sunshine and a lot of heat building back in, strong southerly winds as that front makes its way northward. Still warm tonight. Lows are going to be much warmer than what we saw this morning. A couple of passing clouds later in the night, and a cold front coming through tomorrow will provide a little bit of relief. It'll still be quite warm, but mid to upper 80s and lower 90s for highs, warmer the farther southeast you go under a partly cloudy sky. Should be a dry frontal pass, just not expecting precipitation with that cold front. As for your risk of severe weather today, again, it's not a very good chance because I think if something fires, it's going to be very, very isolated. But again, if something fires, severe weather is a possibility. Far northern, northeastern portions of Nebraska over towards western Nebraska. In fact, I think the Sandhills may have the better chance. West of the Sandhills into the Panhandle of Nebraska may have the best chance of thunderstorm activity overall. But the bigger severe threat should be well to our north and well to our east here these next couple of days. Highs later on today, again, much warmer out there, low to mid 90s up towards the north. That small chance of a morning thunderstorm to the west. Going to be dry conditions, upper 90s, some triple-digit heat in some locations. 103 in Imperial, 102 for McCook, could be near 100 in Phillipsburg, Kansas. Upper 90s around the Tri-Cities, mainly sunny skies. A little bit of a south breeze picking up this afternoon. And to the east, temperatures in the 90s for the most part, mid-90s around Lincoln, upper 90s for places like Belleville, Kansas, Hebron, Nebraska. Your next 7 days after today, not as bad out there. Upper 80s tomorrow, mid-80s for your Thursday. Next chance of rain, a small chance of showers and storms Thursday night. And then again, off and on, small chances Friday night, Saturday, even into Saturday evening. Sunday, drier air works in here. We'll stay around that 90-degree mark here heading through the weekend, and keep it around 90 for Monday with another chance of showers and storms late Monday into Monday night, which may provide a little bit of a cool down coming in towards next Tuesday and Wednesday just beyond our 7-day forecast. So yeah, it's going to be a warm, if not hot week ahead, but today is going to be the worst of it out there. A little more humidity, although not as bad as yesterday morning. Dew points should be well into the 60s in most locations. So prepare for the heat. If you want to enjoy some nice weather today, enjoy it right away, right after you see this video. This morning looks decent, but again, it will heat up rather quickly. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.